Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga, and today's we're going to be recreating this really beautiful Painted by Spencer makeup tutorial. I will be showing the eye makeup look and lip makeup look influenced by his tutorial, but let me tell you that foundation was done off camera because I did something similar, and the link is going to be down in the description box. At the same time, I want to specify today we're using only affordable products and trying to recreate something similar from this very famous makeup artist. If you're interested, please stay tuned and let's get started. We're going to be using some burgundy colors today, and I'm going to be going with my favorite eyeshadow palette from Sample Beauty. What I'm going to be showing today is similar eye makeup look, but using a little bit different products, because I do know a lot of you guys might not even have half of the products he's showing in the video because they're pretty much expensive, and I totally get it. I'm using my NYX HD Eye Primer. Before I use any cream product, I love setting my eyelid with a little bit of color, and the main reason is creasing. I hate when it's creasing really fast, and with creamy products it does happen fast. I'm going with this white eyeshadows. I know it's not from the same tutorial. He's not doing this trick. That is my personal favorite. I know it's not going to last, especially this SFX palette from Makeup Revolution. I have a little bit different product. This is from Huda Beauty, and it has matte and metal melted eyeshadows. What I really like about this product in particular, it looks really pretty on your eyelids and blending pretty much well. The product is quite old and it is expired. I told you in one of my previous videos, but metallic eyeliner is really pretty. And if you have no creams, go ahead and use Huda Beauty in case you have it. If you have no creams, no eyeshadows that are going to dry out eventually, use eyeshadows and it's going to be pretty much okay. But underneath, I would highly recommend to place maybe black or white eye pencil. I'm going to get started with some color, and he used Patrick Ta's blush. I don't have this blush, that's why I'm going with this palette, and I'm mixing two of the shades. I remember he used some burgundy color, but this is too intense and it's probably too red. I'm mixing this in with a little bit of pink. Pack a few times in the back of the hand and try to get this product really close to your lash line, and I don't really want to bring this too high to my crease. The best way is to go with fluffy brush but relatively small, and that's it for now. Now with a little bit different color, this is shade Vinyl. Tap it up and start with the center of my lid. I'm patting the color first, and I feel like her eye makeup look was a little bit brighter. That's why I'm going with Catrice as well. Mix and match both of those shades. Great. I love the pigment. Now we're going to stop not really far from the inner corner, but I don't really want to bring this too wide to my nose bridge. I'm going to lift the space. Pad, pad, pad. And I have a little bit different brush. This is clean. It's clean. And I'm going to start blending out this shade. And it does look a little bit patchy. With any leftovers, I'm going on top. I'm going back and forth, and I'm going to get a little bit more color, both of the shades, again on the same brush. Let's go with a little bit more shade from this SFX palette and go underneath my eye. I don't really know if he used some creams underneath. Got a little bit more. Place it really close to the waterline. The same brush to blend out. And he added a burgundy color over waterline. I don't really have a burgundy color. I have this Kylie Jenner's pencil. I'm going over waterline. If you don't have this color, use maybe something black. And then he went on in the tear dot. Let's go with fluffy brush in this Natalie shade in the center. Honestly, this eyeshadow palette is my holy grail. And finally, I'm doing metallic color. This is gold, and this one has a little bit cool undertone. I will mix both of these colors and place them in the inner corner and a little bit on top of the previous shade. You know what? Let's wet my brush with some leftovers in my beauty blender of moisture and go with the same shimmers. Shimmers are so good with a wet brush. Look at that. Instantly gorgeous. And doing the same combination top like that. I will still add a little bit of black eye pencil over my lash line, but only top lash line. I don't want to add it on the bottom because for the bottom, I have burgundy color. This way, my eyelashes are gonna pop up even better and my eyes are gonna look super bright. Let's do a little bit of my black on top. I want to set this black line. And let's coat lashes with mascara. This is Catrice. Nothing bougie. If you're interested how to get this lip combination, it's available in my shorts. But for now, I'm gonna take it off and do his makeup look. I mean, his lip combination. I'm gonna use a little bit of lip balm because it feels a little bit dry. And I have a new pencil. This is Ultra Long Lasting Color 508 Professional Eye Pencil, but it was specifically searching for a lip pencil and it says that it's universal. You can use it for lips and for eyes. I want to use this cool tone shade to outline my lips. On top, I'm going to use Divage lip gloss. It is pink, has pink undertone. His color is a little bit more orangey, maybe nude. I don't really like this type of colors for my collection. That's why I don't really own them. But as a lip gloss, you can use a clear lip gloss. You can use a lip gloss with your favorite shade. I don't really think it matters. And then I'm going to grab on my brush, this is the lip brush, and top my lips. Maybe a little bit more here. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Let me remind you that we've created this makeup look with the help of affordable products only, but it looks super similar to a Painted by Spencer makeup routine. Give it a try. It's super pretty, it's chic, and looking very, very sexy. I love you all so much, and I hope I'm going to see you in my next video that's going to be uploaded really soon. Bye bye.